Hello, it's Andrew from Fine & Country. What a glorious day. And the property behind me is Ninestones Farm, right in the heart of Bodmin Moor, with outstanding views. We're proud to bring to the market this 4-bedroom farmhouse that has an attached integrated 2-bedroom annex and also a further detached holiday let. It really does bring a lifestyle that many would dream of. You've got outstanding walks on your doorstep, and you also have the ability to earn from the holiday let, but also to appeal to multi-generational families. Inside, the property has a large open plan kitchen, dining, living space with that wonderful fireplace. There's a formal dining room, and also a snug, and a space that is just perfect to work from home. There are 4 bedrooms on the first floor, again benefiting from fantastic views out over the surrounding countryside. There are 6.4 acres here, nicely divided with formal garden, pasture land with outbuildings, all well enclosed, gently sloping and south facing. So the self-contained 2-bedroom annex can also be converted back into the main property through an interconnecting door on the first floor. This creates a huge amount of versatility for those that are looking for a larger 6 or 7-bedroom farmhouse, or those that simply have the need to accommodate a wider family in that space. If you're looking for a property with an ideal lifestyle, then please do contact us. We'd love to tell you more.